Hi. So if you clicked on this video, it's because I'm going to cut my hair and you would like to watch to probably make fun of me. So I've been growing up my hair color for over a year. I've been dyeing my hair since I was like 12 or 14 or something. I've grown it out here and there, but this is the longest I've ever gone not dyeing it. I don't actually bleach it that often, but I had a lot of built up color in it. I did strip quite a bit of it before I started growing it out, but I've discovered that my hair is really thin. I didn't think my hair was that fine, but I'm assuming that all of that built up color over the years just made it seem like I had thicker hair than I actually had. So, I mean, it feels amazing, but it obviously looks flat, and my hair is naturally wavy, and so this is just not, it's not doing anything for me. I typically can kind of do any style of hair, but for my face shape, and so I've kind of had everything under the sun other than like pixie cuts, but it's really getting on my nerves. So yeah, I'm just going to pause the video and then I'm going to get ready. I'm back. So I put my hair in a ponytail. I'm kind of terrified. I don't know if I should go a little bit shorter. So I'm just going to, I think I'm going to put another elastic in here. And yeah. Okay, I'm back. I'm really nervous. Oh, God, Brad Mondo, I'm really sorry. If you're watching this, which if you are, that's super cool. Alright. Okay, I'm kind of scared. So doing this with one arm is going to be interesting. I feel like I just need to... Okay. Oh, oh my god, what am I doing? Okay, so, let me just... I'm going to do it this way. Yeah, okay. Yeah, is that going to work? Let me see here. No, it's not going to work. Is it even straight? Oh god. Okay. I like really suck at doing this. Okay, I can't do that. So we're just gonna have to say fuck it. And okay. This is really not easy. With one arm, okay? Really not. Like, so if I can somehow magically pull this off, I deserve a lot of credit. Okay, if I do it sideways like this, that's better. Oh my god, am I really doing this? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Kill me now. Oh my god. Beep! What did I do? What did I do? Oh man. Okay. I'm gonna try and do this side. What am I doing? What the beep? I can't see. Beep! What am I doing? Well, I'm already... Oh, okay. That is no. it is really, really short up here, which is actually kind of what I wanted anyway. I'm just scared what it looks like. I can't believe I did that. Oh, that feels really weird. Oh, oh my god, I love it. I love it so much. I just hope it doesn't look like shit in the back. Are you seeing how amazing this looks? Okay, let me just see. Damn. So, I'm going to pause it, or stop it for now, and fix it up and go from there.